Hi lovelies, Idara here. You're welcome to my channel. To my new and returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate. And if you're watching this and you aren't subscribed, what's up? Are we quarreling? Don't you like the person you are seeing? Please hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Yeah, thank you. I see you do it. And yeah, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I snatched my face without using foundation. So this is basically a no makeup look. But guess what? I didn't use any foundation. So if you'd love to see how I was able to achieve this look, keep on watching. I got my hair all tucked back, and yeah. So the first thing I'll be applying on my face is this Makeup Forever Bare Base Nourishing Primer. So I'll apply that. So guys, skin prep is very important for me because I know you have to have a good canvas for your makeup to glide on. It just makes application of makeup smooth. That's why I love working on the face. So the next thing I'll do is use this aloe vera gel. It's fruit of egg aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera too as a primer. Guys, it works for me. It just locks in. When the foundation stays on it locks into my skin. So I would like to fan my face. I just want it to set in. Here I'm mapping out my brows lightly since we're going for a minimal makeup. So after that, I will go in with my concealer. This is Live and Beauty concealer. I just take a bit at the back of my hand. You see? Put it at the back of my hand. Enough that will just fix up my brows. I take this flat brush. And then I'm just dragging down the concealer, just dragging it down. I'll do the other brow off camera and then we get into the face proper. Now I want to apply, I almost forgot, this Sonia Kashuk Glow Primer. It's a glow primer. I don't know how to show you this, but this is the consistency. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the consistency. It is, see, let me put it on the face. It glows. So that little one I bought is okay already. So I just applied that all over my face. I almost forgot to apply it because you want the skin to be popping still, right? You want the skin to be popping. And you know, using foundation, but we gonna make it work. We gonna make it work. Oh, girl. We're gonna make it work. Touch this. This is my first time using it. I just got it some other stuff. So concealers by Live and Beauty in shade 046 being the lighter and shade 049 being the darker. I always use this for my contour, but now it's close to my skin tone and I just want to use it to color correct underneath my eye. Just a little touch here and there. Oh, look the way that cream highlight in my face pop. So I'll just be applying that on those areas. And now I'm going with a lighter one to highlight under my eye and ridge of my nose here. So I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Setting Powder, yeah, in 35 Deep. Maybelline powder, cacao. It's a smoothing powder and it's really good. I want to use it to like do my contour, but it's more bronzing. It bronzes than contour for me. It just brings depth to that part of my face where I want to snatch. So you can see everything is all set. Now I'll be going in with my Lancome blush. This shade is pink intensely, yeah, pink intensely 375. I really like it. I really like this shade of blush. Just gonna see what's gonna happen. I just put it on my cheeks as well. Up the place I contoured, so just use it to smell good. I'm dragging it upward, just taking it upward. Yeah. I'll still take a little tiny bit of it. So the next thing I'm going to do is set my face with setting spray before I put my liner. You know, it's a no makeup look, so I'm not going to be doing so much on my eyes. Or let me do something. Since we want to be a bit chic with the whole no makeup look, this brush here. I think this is peach. Come on, I can show it. This is a peach color, this peach tone from this color. I just take it in. So guys, I have done my eye, the little color I want to add. I just use some neutral shades to amp the eye, just to give it a bit pop. And I'll go in with my liner. Guys, the talk through video for makeup is not easy at all. I mean, it's not easy. So it's because it's been a while since I did a makeup tutorial and talked through it. The one I have been doing on my Instagram doesn't require me talking, it's just me acting. But I just wanted to talk so you understand why I'm doing some certain things. And I know it's not that detailed enough, but I'm trying to hear, guys. I'm really trying. What's the line? I'll set my face with a new setting spray. Just take some out. Just let it set. Ooh. Fan is going to work for me. Fan is working. Fan is working. Lash. I'm not fixing lashes. It's a no makeup look, so I will go in with mascara instead. Okay, a mascara. For my lip, this is New Ben gloss. Put it on first. Nude. Oh, highlights. I'm gonna put a highlight on, and this is a Milani bronzed highlight. Baked bronzer. Ooh, look at that glow, girl. Close. Guys, just put a transparent gloss inside on top the leave-in gloss. And this is the finished look, guys. This is it. And if I want anything extra, I know what to do right now. I'm going to put a pop of color in my tear duct, just so it's not too yeah. Let me see how it's gonna look now. Change the whole look. 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 This is how I snatch my face without foundation. I didn't use foundation, guys. I didn't use foundation. So, minimalists, get in here. You need this tutorial. You don't need to apply foundation before you look snatched, okay? And there's some people that do not like foundation. Yeah, I love foundation. I love skin products, guys. It makes me happy. Applying my primer, applying the whole process of applying skin foundation. Because I mean, this is major. That's major for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really loving this whole look. I'm loving it. I'm loving everything about it. So guys, here you have it, the finished look. This is it. This is me snatched. Okay, this is me snatched. I was previously using natural lighting, silver lights, and I just decided to show you the finished look without with ring light. You've seen it with natural light, and I just love this blush. It's all dewy. The whole look is natural. It's not too much, and it's just chic. I feel like it. I hope you do too, guys. Don't forget to recreate your no foundation look and tag me to it. Ida's Beauty is gonna be somewhere on the screen for you to see and follow. Please tag me. Let me see you, family. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified. Till next time, I'm out of here. Signing out.